Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do a few Dollar Tree Valentine's DIYs for you. Right after Christmas, the Dollar Tree clearanced out all their Christmas items. And so I hauled this stocking. I got 2 of them for $1. And I did a project already, and so I have a piece left over. So you will need any fabric of your choice. I'm just going to go with the stocking because it's very soft and I think it'd be fantastic for a heart. So I'm going to go with the fabric of the stockings. I also want to incorporate some lace as well. So you'll need a piece of lace. You'll need a picture frame, and that came from the Dollar Tree as well. You'll need hearts. The Dollar Tree sells hearts, but I did haul this from Hobby Lobby. They're $2.99 and 50% off, or 40% off, sorry, 40% off. You also need some form of gems. I'm going with these from the Dollar Tree. I decided I wanted to add some stickers, and you can go ahead and use the Dollar Tree stickers, or you can use some stickers. This one I got from Hobby Lobby. You can use Hobby Lobby stickers, and they were $2.99 and 50% off. All right, so you definitely need your glue gun and your glue sticks and some spray paint. You need scissors to cut your fabric, and we are going to go ahead and jump into this DIY. So what you'll need for this next DIY is a container. Now, as I mentioned before, you get 2 for $1. So I got this container for 50 cents from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some floral, some roses of your choice. You will need some form of embellishment. I'm going with these from Hobby Lobby. I love the gems that Hobby Lobby has. I'm gonna go with this one and this one. And I got 2 of them, both were $2.99. You will need your scissors, your glue gun, and glue sticks. You also need spray paint in order to cover your container so it doesn't look like Christmas. So what I want to do is spray paint outside, make it, I want to go with, I think I'm going to go with white because I'm going to go with the pink. So this is how the DIYs turned out. I hope that you do like the way that they look. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time, your comment, and your support. Let me know which one of these DIYs are your favorite. I truly appreciate your time, and I will see you on my next DIY